Briefly introduce the importance of learning to drive. Discuss the benefits of driving, independence, convenience. Mention the objective of the video and what viewers will learn. Understanding the basics of driving. Types of vehicles, overview of manual versus automatic cars. Basic components, explanation of steering wheel, pedals, accelerator, brake, clutch, gear shift, and dashboard indicators. Safety equipment, importance of seat belts, airbags, and headrests. Preparing to drive. Getting comfortable, adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel. Familiarizing with controls, understanding wipers, lights, turn signals, and emergency brakes. Starting the car, step-by-step guide on how to start the engine. The driving process. Basic maneuvers. How to accelerate and decelerate smoothly. Steering techniques for maintaining control. How to brake properly. Turning. Signaling before turning. Checking blind spots and mirrors. Turning left versus right at intersections. Changing lanes. Importance of mirrors and signaling. Checking blind spots. Executing a lane change safely. Parking. Parallel parking step by step. Angle parking and perpendicular parking tips. How to exit a parking space safely. Rules of the road. Traffic signals and signs, overview of common signs and their meanings. Right-of-way rules, understanding who goes first in different scenarios. Speed limits, importance of adhering to speed limits and understanding different zones, school zones, residential areas. Defensive driving, techniques for anticipating other drivers' actions. Handling different driving conditions. Driving in rain, tips for maintaining control and visibility. Night driving, importance of headlights and adjusting to low visibility. Driving in snow/ice, techniques for safe driving in winter conditions. Dealing with emergencies, what to do in case of a tire blowout, engine failure, or accident. Advanced driving techniques. Highway driving. Merging onto highways and maintaining speed. Navigating roundabouts, rules for entering and exiting roundabouts. Using GPS and navigation tools, how to effectively use technology while driving. Vehicle maintenance basics. Routine checks, importance of checking oil, tires, brakes, and lights. Understanding dashboard warning lights, what they mean and how to respond. When to seek professional help, knowing when a problem requires a mechanic. Preparing for the driving test. What to expect, overview of the driving test process. Common mistakes to avoid, tips for passing the test on the first try. Practice makes perfect, importance of practice before taking the test.